we're going to code our main sprite to make it look like they're lighting the Diyas. First, make sure you have the correct character selected and that they show up in the coding area. We'll start with an event block. When the green flag is clicked, then add a purple looks block and type "Let's celebrate Diwali." Next, we'll use a blue motion block to have the sprite move left. Click the grid icon above the stage to see where the sprite is starting and where you'd like it to stop. My sprite is starting at position 17, and I want it to stop at 4, so the distance it needs to travel is 13. I'll enter 13 as the parameter in the motion block. Now, let's test it by clicking the green flag. Great! It stops where I wanted it to. If it didn't, I could adjust the parameter until it's correct. Then, I'll reset my sprite to its starting position by clicking the Reset button next to the green flag. Now, I'll code each flame to hide before the sprite begins moving. This way, they'll only appear as the sprite walks past each Diya. For the main sprite, I'll use another event block. When green flag is clicked, followed by an orange control the wait block. I'll add 4 send message blocks from the event category to broadcast a message to each flame to appear as the sprite approaches. We will change each broadcast block to have a different colored message. Then, I'll go to each flame sprite and use the Start on Message event block along with a purple looks block, the show block. Also making sure each flame receives the correct colored message. Once everything is set, I'll test the code by clicking the green flag. If the flames show up before the sprite reaches them, I'll adjust the wait block's parameters to ensure the timing is correct. Once everything is set, I'll test the code by clicking the green flag. If the flames show up before the sprite reaches them, I'll adjust the weight block's parameters to ensure the timing is correct. I'll continue testing and debugging until the flames light up as the sprite walks past each Diya.